items that will be needed for this project: one large round mirror, one foam board, 6 pairs of hoop earrings, a bag of gem beads, silver spray paint, a wire cutter, scissors, Exacto knife, A6000, glue gun, and last but not least, gem beads. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is place the mirror on top of this foam board, and then we're just going to trace it out like this. Now, next step is we're going to go ahead and cut it out. You could remove it and cut it out, or you can cut it this way. I'm going to go ahead and do it with this. I cannot find my Exacto knife, so I am going to just go around. So. Okay, so I went ahead and finished with my cardboard. I cut it out, and I decided to use a different type of trim. So I went ahead and added this trim, and then so the next step is going to be to spray paint this. I'm just going to press it and make sure it's glued down. And then I'm just going to flip it over. Okay, so the next step is you're going to take each earring and you're going to have to remove these. So you're going to get your wire cutters, and you're just simply going to grab the end of it like this and just twist it. You're just going to twist it off. It comes off real easy. So you got that one off, and then you're going to have to remove this one as well, and this one's really simple. Just do the same thing, kind of bend it. It bends right off. So there you have your earring. Now you want to just squeeze it a little bit. Don't squeeze it too hard, but just a little bit closer, like that. You don't want to ruin the integrity of the ring. So what we're going to do is you're going to get your wire cutters, and you're going to go about, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch right here, and you're just going to squeeze it closed. And then also you're going to go over here and just do the tip and close it. So you're going to do that on both sides. Close that, okay? Okay, so after you've done that, then you're going to just add a bling right there in place of it. And I actually made a template. So, because you're going to be using it for all of the 12 that you have, you're going to have to do it on each one. So, you might as well just make a template, and you could put it right there and cut them out like that. So, what you're going to do is just cut it out like so. And then going to follow like that. And then you're going to just remove the backing. And then you're just going to place it on top. You're going to try and center it on the top of the earring like this. Just do it gently. Really sticky. And then you're just going to basically fold it over and push it in so it tapes together. And then for any extra hairs or whatever, you know, you just get your lighter and you're just going to go around and burn them off. And then there you have it. Now the next thing we're going to do is flip this upside down, and we're just going to add the feet. And that's where the gems come in. We're just going to eyeball them and put them where we think necessary. So I'm just going to start right here. So now we're going to start with the ring and then going to hot glue. And I'm just going to go behind each one like this. So I'm trying to create the illusion that they're ringing together. So I'm just going to add some glue here for a little extra support. And attach them like that. So that they'll support each other.